7. In a class, 3/5 of the students are girls. If 2/3 of the girls pass an exam, what fraction of the entire class are girls who passed the exam? Simplihan siguro natin. Siguro mas magandang i-drawing natin. Mag-drawing tayo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ganito yung itsura dito tayo sa 3/5. Ang 3/5, itong 5, kung ilang hati sila lahat, meron na tayong 5. Ang 3/5, in a class, 3/5 of the students are girls. So ito yung 3/5. Yan. Yung shaded natin yan yung 3/5. If 2/3 of the girls, so ito yung, di ba ito yung mga girls, 3/5 of the students are girls. Girls. Since tatlo na yung mga boxes dyan, kapag sinabing 2/3 of the girls, so focus tayo dito. Ayan. Tatlong hati. Yan naman yung 2/3 dito. Ito naman yung 2/3. Tatlong hati. So this is 2/3. 2/3 of the girls pass the exam. Yung tanong, what fraction of the entire class? Ang entire class, ilan yung entire class na pagkahati-hati dito? 5 yung pagkahati-hati. Yung entire class, 5 ang pagkahati-hati. What fraction of the entire class are girls? Ito yung are girls who passed. Ito yung who passed. Itong green na ito nakaline. 2 hati, yan siya. So, in other words, ang sagot, 2/5. Ito yung pinaka-detalye. Ito yung tinatawag kong Canto style way na sana mas lalo niyong maintindihan kumpara kung isusulat lang natin. So, i-erase natin ito. Doon tayo sa isa pang simple lang. Kapag sinabing 3/5 yung mga girls and then 2/3 of the girls pass the exam, ang tanong ay, what fraction of the entire class are girls who pass the exam? 2/3 of the girls. So meaning 2/3 of, ilan yung girls? 3/5 passed the exam. Kopyahin si 2/3, ang of multiplication, kopyahin si 3/5, passed the exam, ito na yung answer. So, multiplication of fractions, since parehong mayroong 3, sa taas, sa baba, pwede yan i-cancel. So, ang sagot natin ay 2/5. Ganun lang siya kasimple. Number